Maraming araw at gabi ang aking binunong. Mga mahal ko ang nagpalakas ng aking loob. Hindi ko napansin ang takbo ng mga oras. Ngayon nga ako'y pabalik na sa Pilipinas. Pabilis ng pabilis ang tibok ng aking dibdib, habang ang eroplano'y palapit ng palapit sa bayan kong kay tagal ding hindi ko nasilip. Ngayon ay muli ko na itong mamamasid. Unti-unting bumababa itong sinasakyan. Sabi ng stewardess, tuwid ang upuan. Lalapag ng eroplano sa aking inang bayan. Ang sayang nadarama, walang mapagsilan. Pasko ang damdamin, 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 Pasko
to the International Airport here in Manila.
Pasko ang damdamin.
We're now taxiing towards Naya Terminal 3 for your compensation and deportation. Muli kalalaman lamang po namin sa pagkarang pag-ibig ng maligayang Philippines sa Maynila. Tayo ay matungo sa Naya Terminal 3 para sa inyong maalasapitan na pagbaba.
Sa kagustuhan kong sa hirap buhay mahango.
For your safety and comfort, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until captain turns off the seatbelt sign. Please trust your surroundings and ensure you do not leave any of your personal belongings behind. Be cautious when opening the overhead bins as heavy items may have moved during the flight.
Ngayon nga ako'y
On
pabalik
behalf
na
of your entire
sa
division ticket team, headed by our flight crew, Captain Kula and First Officer Maldo, together with your cabin crew, we thank you for making the visit of this a part of your important moment. It was truly a pleasure having you all on board, and we hope to find you some more fun in the future. Once again, thank you everyone for flying the Luga ticket. For this flight, the infant special be collected after deportation. For safe reasons, leave the infant glasses inside its pocket and be reminded that unauthorized removal of blankets from the aircraft is a serious offense.
Ang sayang nadarama, walang